So on this video, we're going to be talking about how to get rid of enlarged pores, how to bring out all those impurities and excessive oil that are in your pores, how to detoxify your pores. Enlarged pores occurs when so many debts or excessive oil, be it debts from the makeup products you apply on your skin or from your cosmetic products. Enlarged pores occurs when all those debts are trapped into your pores, and then probably you are not using a very good cleanser, or your cleanser is not doing the job by bringing out all those debts well, so they continue to accumulate, especially those that have oily skin. It can be oil that your body is producing. So when those debts, impurities and oils are trapped into your pores, they begin to enlarge your pores. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, it's your girl once more, and here on this channel we talk about everything skincare, lifestyle, beauty, self-improvement and self-growth. If this sounds like any of the things you're interested in, please kindly hit the subscription button to support your girl. Okay, so without taking much of your time, let's dive into why we're here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a simple DIY that you can do at home in order to shrink your pores using this simple mask, this clay mask. Let me show you guys. This is bentonite clay, so we're going to be doing it together, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to use this bentonite clay to make a mask to help you shrink your pores. So what we're going to be needing for this recipe is, of course, my brush, my measuring spoon, a clean bowl, this is rose water, my rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can use sterile water, but this is rose water. Last but not the least is this Desire products that I told you guys in the video that I made on aloe vera gel. Remember, I told you guys that I'm going to show you guys how you can include this Desire in your DIY. So this is one of it. We're also going to be adding this Desire aloe vera gel into our mask. So without taking much of your time, guys, let's dive into making the mask. So firstly, I'm going to get my bowl like I told you guys. So this is my bowl. I'll now use my measuring spoon here, just 1 tablespoon of my bentonite clay. Okay, can you guys see it? This is just 1 teaspoon of my bentonite clay. You level it so that it won't be much, because you can't preserve this. This is for single use. You can get this bentonite clay from those people that sell all those organic stuffs and all that. Then the next you will do is you get your rose water, and then you put 5 drops of your rose water. The next is to apply your aloe vera gel. Okay, you can apply like, let's say 4 drops is okay, because we don't want the consistency to be too watery. So I'm going to be adding more rose water to this because it's not enough. So let's just say you can add like 8 to 10 drops of this rose water so that you can make your paste. Let me show you guys. Okay, so you go ahead and mix it well and mix it properly. Make sure that it is well mixed. Mix it properly to a very thick consistency. Hope you guys can see it. After mixing it properly, you first of all wash your face. My face is already clean, so I'm not washing my face for the sake of this video. Then you look for a brush, any application brush. Then you apply. Start from under your eyes. Okay, This face mask is going to help shrink your pores. Trust me guys, if you do this consistently, it's going to help to shrink your pores. So you go ahead and apply on the other side. Make sure you apply in your under eye. Please be careful so that it won't go into your eyes, okay? So you apply gently like this. This mask is very, as you're applying, it gives your face that cooling sensation, gives you that calmness in your face. You go ahead and apply all over your face. This face mask is going to help get rid of any form of impurities, all the chemicals from the bleaching products that you're using, all the harmful chemicals, all the debts that are in your pores, all the toxins in your skin. This is going to purify your skin and remove every form of impurities from your skin. So after applying it, you allow it to dry for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can go ahead and wash. So I'm going to wash and come back. So guys, this is me after washing. So I'm going to go ahead and dump the excess water with a soft towel. Make sure you're using a very soft towel guys, very soft towel. Okay, so guys, you can do this recipe if you have a large pores or you have oily face. As you can see, after washing, the excessive oil on my face is out. All those shines, they are not too obvious again. So you can do this 3 to 2 times in a week and only in your night routine. Okay, you can include it in your night routine 2 to 3 times in a week if you have a large pores. But if you are doing it just as a form of detox on your skin, you can go ahead and do this once in a week and you're good to go. So that is it. There are other clays out there apart from bentonite clay. There are other very good detox clay. You can make your research and pick the one that suits you. But personally, I love this. I love bentonite clay so much, so I prefer using it. After washing, you can go ahead and apply your moisturizer. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. And please, if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in my next. Bye.